Aishwarya, the story is moving fast. What is the latest that you have on your end about the negotiations between Sachin Pilot and the BJP?
Well, at this point of time, Niranjan, that is going to take some time because the visuals of the CM cavalcade which you are seeing right outside the Fairmont Hotel, this is something which a desperate chief minister is doing. He understands that now when Sachin Pilot has been ousted, Sachin Pilot has been removed, it is going to be a bigger resentment because Sachin Pilot is a big name. Let there be no doubt about it. Within the politics of the state of Rajasthan, Ashok Gehlot is aware about it, though he has been using his muscles. But the cavalcade of the cars going back from the Fairmont Hotel, which is in the Kukas area on the outskirts. But the reality of the fact remains that the coordination between BJP and Sachin Pilot has not reached to a point on which it can be claimed that now within the 24 to 48 hours that he's going to join BJP. So what's happening is that he's adamant on being the chief minister. Let there be no doubt. BJP understands that if they, because of the caste equation which is prevailing in the state of Rajasthan, Niranjan, we need to micromanage that. We need to look at it from an angle of the BJP as well. If you make a Gujar leader, a leader coming in from the Gujar community as the chief minister, you are clearly going to miss the Meenas and then the other communities in the state. So a balance needs to be created. Hence, we are being told by our sources that an option of the deputy chief minister with home and finance. So if you basically try to understand that it is equivalent to the chief minister, if you are given the position of the deputy chief minister and the portfolios of home and finance both, but then we are being told that has not struck the deal. The deal has yet not been struck between Sachin Pilot and then the BJP. Hence, there is another set of meeting. That's what we were told at around 3:30. That there's going to be another set of meeting between Sachin Pilot, Jyotiraditya Scindia, and then another top BJP leader. While we show you these visuals of the cavalcade of the chief minister going back from the Fairmont Hotel here in the national capital, hectic parlays are on. And tomorrow now, we were earlier being told that the press conference could happen in Rajasthan. Now we are being clearly told that the press conference will happen in the national capital itself. So a lot of change in plans happening simultaneously, and also keeping in mind the changing plans, keeping in mind the change in decision making. It is having a rippling effect onto the further itinerary. So at this point of time, Sachin Pilot, who's in the national capital, is all set to meet a senior BJP functionary later in the night, and then tomorrow a press conference. We are being told that he may not announce, and I repeat, he may not announce an immediate joining with the BJP. But if he announces that he is starting his own party, then it's going to be very, very difficult for the BJP. That's also what we are being indicated, that if he announces that he's going to start his own political party, his own political wing, his own regional party for the state of Rajasthan, it's going to become very, very difficult for the BJP to then support him and then make him even a deputy chief minister, because then it's going to create internal rifts, internal problems for the BJP, and BJP does not want that. Sachin Pilot, yes, is a big name, but at the end of the day, they need to maintain their own caste balance, BJP. And Sachin Pilot does not come from the cadre. He is, he and his family has been with the Congress party, so it's also going to be some resentment from the local cadre of the BJP. So all of these issues are being looked into, but BJP is in talks. BJP would want Sachin Pilot to join in, but it's only and only because of the caste equation and also of the position which is being asked by Sachin Pilot, things are being looked into.